You are probably going to bed tonight without knowing this, and I need to tell you before you do. While you sleep, your eyes go through a repair cycle. Every single night, the cells in your retina attempt to regenerate, clear out damage, and restore the connections that give you clear vision. But after 60, that repair cycle starts to fail. The nutrients your eyes need aren't getting there anymore. The blood flow slows. The oxidative damage accumulates faster than your body can fix it. And every morning, you wake up a little blurrier than the morning before. Most people accept this. They get stronger glasses. They stop driving at night. They squint at the menu and pretend it doesn't bother them. But I am going to tell you something that the American Optometric Association has been clear about for years. Vision loss after 60 is not always inevitable, and what you eat in the hour before you close your eyes may be the single most important thing you can do to protect the eyesight you still have. The National Eye Institute has reported that vision loss among Americans is rising faster than at any point in recorded history. And a study published in JAMA Ophthalmology in 2023 confirmed what researchers had been seeing for years. The most destructive changes in your retina, the oxidative stress, the chronic inflammation, the breakdown of the cells that let you see, happen most aggressively at night, while you sleep, while your eyes are supposed to be healing. Today I am going to show you 7 fruits that research suggests can support your eyes during that critical overnight window. I've saved the most powerful one for last, and it targets something called glycation, one of the most destructive and most overlooked processes behind cloudy lenses, cataracts, and progressive vision loss. Most people have never even heard of it, but by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what it is and how one fruit you probably already have in your kitchen may help fight it. Let's start with number 7, kiwi. Small, easy to overlook in the produce section, but for aging eyes, kiwi is remarkable. Your retina captures incoming light and converts it into signals your brain can read. After 60, that tissue becomes increasingly vulnerable. Oxidative stress accumulates. The cells wear down, and before you realize it, headlights at night look like starbursts. Road signs blur at distances that used to be easy, and you wake up every morning with vision that takes an hour to clear. Kiwi is loaded with 2 nutrients that eye researchers keep returning to: lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of them as natural filters sitting inside the layers of your retina, absorbing harmful blue light and providing antioxidant protection while your eyes go through their nighttime repair process. On top of that, kiwi contains a small amount of serotonin, which supports deeper, more restorative sleep. And deep sleep is when your eyes do their most critical repair work. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that older adults who consumed 2 golden kiwis daily experienced measurable improvements in visual sharpness, along with reduced morning dryness and redness. 2 pieces of fruit. Measurable results. Eat 2 golden kiwis, not green, about an hour before bed. Golden kiwis carry more lutein, produce less acid, and sit easier on the stomach at night. And here is the detail most people miss. That thin layer of flesh right beneath the skin contains concentrated caffeic acid, a potent antioxidant. Scoop the fruit out with a spoon and leave that inner edge intact. Number 6, watermelon. If you've ever wondered why your vision is still blurry an hour after waking up, this one matters. As we age, blood flow to the retina gradually slows. That reduced circulation is a major contributor to morning blurriness that sometimes takes hours to clear. Watermelon is over 90% water, so hydration helps. But the research points deeper. Watermelon is one of the richest dietary sources of lycopene, a carotenoid antioxidant linked in observational studies to reduced oxidative damage in retinal cells and potential protective effects against cataracts and macular degeneration. Compounds in watermelon also support nitric oxide production and improve peripheral blood flow, which means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your retina during sleep. 1 to 2 cups of chilled seedless watermelon about 30 minutes before bed. Skip the salt. Added sodium can raise intraocular pressure, which the Glaucoma Research Foundation identifies as a significant risk factor for vision loss. And don't throw away the rind. That white section contains citrulline, an amino acid that supports healthy blood vessel function. Number 5, black currants. Tiny, deep purple, easy to overlook. But when it comes to protecting your eyes in low light, these are quietly powerful. The specific problem they address is retinal microinflammation and reduced blood flow to the optic nerve. Over time, that chronic inflammation blurs your vision, creates halos around headlights, and causes progressive strain in dim conditions. What makes black currants effective is their extraordinary anthocyanin content. Anthocyanins calm inflammation, support blood vessel dilation, and help restore rhodopsin, the visual pigment responsible for your eye's ability to adjust from bright to dark. A randomized, placebo-controlled trial found that 50 milligrams of black currant anthocyanins daily over 24 months significantly improved blood flow to the optic nerve and slowed the progression of visual field loss compared to placebo. A separate study found that black currant anthocyanins increased retinal blood flow without affecting eye pressure. Look for a standardized black currant extract, around 50 milligrams daily, taken in the evening with a small amount of healthy fat for absorption. Number 4. Blueberries. But here is the part that surprises people. Most of us eat blueberries in a way that cancels out a significant portion of their eye protective benefits. The key compound in blueberries is pterostilbene, chemically related to resveratrol but significantly more bioavailable. Research suggests it can cross the blood-retinal barrier and act directly on DNA damage in light-sensitive cells. That is a meaningful distinction from most antioxidants that never reach the tissue that needs them. A 2023 study in nutritional neuroscience found that older adults who consumed wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks showed notable improvements in visual acuity and reported less eye strain when viewing screens in low light. But not all blueberries deliver the same benefit. The large cultivated varieties in supermarkets have measurably lower antioxidant density. Wild blueberries, the small dark ones you find in the frozen section, carry nearly double the concentration of active compounds. About a third of a cup of wild blueberries 45 minutes before bed. Do not combine with dairy. The proteins in milk bind to anthocyanins and physically block absorption. Instead, lightly freeze and then thaw your blueberries before eating. That process breaks down cell walls and dramatically increases bioavailability. Number 3. Dragon fruit, and specifically the red flesh variety. Research suggests it may be one of the most effective fruits for increasing oxygen delivery to your eyes during sleep. If you regularly wake up with tired, heavy eyes even after a full night's rest, pay close attention. The problem dragon fruit addresses is retinal hypoxia. That is when your retinal tissue is not receiving adequate oxygen during sleep. Red dragon fruit is rich in betalains, antioxidants that support nitric oxide production in blood vessels. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens capillaries, including the tiny ones that supply your retina. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Aging Biology reported that participants who consumed red dragon fruit extract for 6 weeks showed meaningful improvements in ocular circulation and contrast sensitivity. Half a red flesh dragon fruit about an hour before bed, and chew the black seeds. They contain omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, both of which play documented roles in retinal nerve health. Swallowed whole, you lose almost all of that benefit. Number 2. Goji berries. Bright red, slightly sweet, used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, specifically for eye health. And now the clinical evidence is catching up. Goji berries are among the highest natural dietary sources of zeaxanthin on the planet. While lutein protects the outer retina, zeaxanthin concentrates specifically in the macula, your center of vision. That targeted protection matters. A 2021 study in Nutrients followed adults aged 60 to 80 who consumed dried goji berries 5 days a week for 90 days. The results showed a significant increase in macular pigment optical density, and no participant showed further progression of macular degeneration during the trial period. For anyone concerned about losing their ability to read, recognize faces, or see color clearly, that finding deserves serious attention. Soak 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water for about 10 minutes. Eat them roughly 30 minutes before bed, and pair them with a small square of dark chocolate, at least 85% cacao. The flavonoids in cocoa enhance the absorption of zeaxanthin. Together, they create a synergy your macula can actually use. And number 1, the fruit that tops this entire list, papaya. It is not exotic. It is not expensive. You may have one on your counter right now, but when you eat it correctly, it targets one of the most destructive processes behind blurry vision, cloudy lenses, and early cataract formation. The enemy papaya goes after is glycation. That is the process by which excess blood glucose binds to proteins in your eye tissue, forming compounds called advanced glycation end products that progressively cloud your lens and degrade your retina. Glycation is one of the most underappreciated contributors to vision loss after 60, and it is happening silently in most people right now. Papaya is rich in papain, a naturally occurring enzyme with documented anti-inflammatory and protein-modifying properties. It also delivers vitamins A, C, and E alongside folate, nutrients that research consistently links to tear film stability, retinal protection, and reduced oxidative stress. A 2023 study in clinical gerontology found that older adults who consumed papaya in the evening showed lower levels of glycation markers, stronger tear production, and measurable improvements in contrast vision within 6 weeks. 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes about an hour before bed. Fresh is better than processed. Room temperature is better than cold. Take your papaya out of the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before eating. Cold suppresses enzyme activity, and you want papain at full strength. Squeeze fresh lime juice over it. The vitamin C boosts your body's absorption of vitamin A. Your eyes get more of what they need. Now, 5 rules that matter. Without these, you could eat every fruit on this list and still not get the full benefit. 1. Do not combine with dairy. High-calcium foods consumed alongside these fruits can reduce absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin by up to 30%. Give yourself at least 90 minutes between dairy and your fruit. 2. Always add a small amount of healthy fat. Most of these nutrients are fat-soluble. A few walnuts, a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, or a few slices of avocado alongside your fruit can boost absorption by more than 50%. 3. Wash gently. Aggressive scrubbing removes surface antioxidants, particularly on blueberries and black currants. Rinse gently under cool water and wash right before eating. 4. Room temperature over cold. Refrigeration suppresses enzyme activity. Take your fruit out 30 to 60 minutes before eating. 5. Timing. Eat your fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Too early and the nutrients are metabolized before your eyes enter their repair window. Too late and active digestion disrupts the deep sleep your eyes need. Think about what clear vision means to you. Reading without squinting. Driving at night without gripping the steering wheel. Waking up in the morning and actually seeing clearly. Looking at the people you love and seeing every detail. That is what this is about. Not just clearer vision, your independence, your confidence, your life. If your eyesight became noticeably clearer tomorrow morning, what is the very first thing you would want to look at? Leave your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Share this with someone over 60 in your life. You might genuinely change what they see tomorrow morning. I'm Dr. James Hargrove. Take care of your eyes. They're irreplaceable.